Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to an animal coin hunt. I've designated this coin hunt ACH 24. We start off with a coin from New Zealand from the year 1974. It is a 20 cent, and on this one we have the Her Majesty on the obverse. You also have the name of the country and the year at the bottom. On the other side we have a kiwi, and the foliage going across the top is a white fern leaves. The mintage for this 1974 coin is 4,558,000. Next we have a coin from Tasmania. This is 20 Ishiri Center, and that's ISHIRINI. It's from 1966. The obverse shows Rias wa Kwanzaa, and that's RIASWA, and then Kwanzaa is KWANZA. You also get the name of the country and the year. On the reverse you have the value in numeric figures, and you have a ostrich. The mintage for this Tanzanian coin is 26,500,000. The third coin is from Slovenia, and it's Tolaraja. That's TOLARJA. It's from 2001. You have the year, the value and the country on this side, and then on the other side you have a barn swallow in flight. The mintage of this coin is 10,001,000. This next coin is a 5 lari, that's LAARI. It's a scalloped edge coin from 1984 from the Maldives. We have the value of the coin and the country, and then over on the reverse we have the year, and we have two fish swimming, and these two swimming fish are bonito fish. That's BONITO. There is no mintage for this coin. Uh-oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3 of them. This is one of my favourite coins. We seem to be getting an awful lot of them. They're Icelandic 100 Krona coins. These three come from 2007, 2006 and 2004. On the obverse you have the 4 shield or 4 iconic figures from Icelandic mythology. You also have the country, the year and the value. On the reverse you have the value, and the animal is a lump fish. For the 2007 coin the mintage is 3 million. For 2006 coin the mintage is 2 million. And for the 2004 coin the mintage is 2,400,000. We then have one that we seem to be getting an awful lot of. is the 501 from South Korea. These two came from 1992 and 1994. You can see you have the value and the date on this, on the one side, and on the other side you have a Manchurian crane in flight. The 1992 mintage coin is 105 million, and the 1994 coin is 50,600,000. This one's from Zambia. It's a 20 Ngwee, and that's NGWEE from 1972. On the front you have a portrait of Kenneth Kaunda, who was the president, and the mintage for this coin is 7,500,000. On the reverse you have the value, and the antelope there is a Bohor reed buck. That's BOHOR, and then it's REEDBUCK. Next we have two 5 lira coins from Italy. They're aluminium. One side shows the rudder, and the other side shows the dolphin, the value and the year. These two coins were from 1954 and 1955. The 1955 mintage is 159 million. The 1954 mintage is 436,400,000. That's some mintage. Next one is a Canadian 5 cent. On the obverse you have a portrait of the Queen. On the reverse you have the year, the country, and the animal is a beaver. This coin is from 1999. The only mintage figure I could find for 1999 was 20,000. Now I'm not sure if that is for a proof coin or whether the only coins that were minted were 20,000 of these particular ones. When you see other years, you wonder whether that is correct, because it's normally a very highly minted coin. The next two are St Helena and Ascension Islands. They're 5p's, they're both 1984. And on this obverse it shows you the Queen's portrait and also the country name, and on the reverse you have a wading bird. I couldn't find out any information about which bird it is, and also there is no mintage available for this coin. The next one is another one from the dependencies. This is from the Falkland Islands from 1992. There's no mintage figures for this coin, but it shows a brown albatross in flight, or brown-browed albatross to be more precise. There's no mintage available for this coin from 1992. Oh, I missed one somewhere. Ah yes, 50 cent from Singapore from 1980. I missed it all totally. You have the wheat ears on this side. It could be rice grains. The name of Singapore, and it's 50 cents. And on the reverse of this is a very dangerous fish known as a lionfish. If you get stung by one of those, or one of their spines go into you, won't half know about it. It's extremely painful, and they are highly poisonous. The mintage for this coin is 14,717,000. I missed that one totally. I do apologise. The last four coins of this hunt The first one is from Malta. It's a 5-cent coin. On here you've got the coat of arms of Malta, or one of the coat of arms. It shows a ship on the sea with sunshine all around it on that side, and then on the reverse you have the 5 cents value and a freshwater crab. This is a 1986 coin, and this was a very low mintage coin of only 150,000. This one is from New Zealand. It's a 5 cent. From 1991, it is the Tuatara lizard, and that's Tuatara. It's from 1991. The only mintage I could find for 1991 was 20,000. We have a Maltese coin next, another one, but this is 10 cents from 1986. You have the coat of arms, and then on the back for the 10 cents you have the dolphin fish. It's got a mintage of 4,188,000. And the final coin of this hunt is Australian. It's from 1997, it's a 5 cent. And again, this one's got the short-beaked Echidna. I better spell it. It's short-beaked, and then the name of the animal is ECHINDA, Echidna. This 1997 coin has a mintage of 100,680,000. Right. I've rebagged the coins ready for me to put aside until I'm ready to flip them and add them to my collection fully, put them into flips and sort it out into date runs. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you think I believe it, would you please subscribe to the channel? I'm trying to grow my channel this year. I would like to hit 100 before the end of the year. I don't think that's too far or too much to expect, considering I already have nearly 80 subscribers. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you would like to watch over the next week. And in the meantime, until we all meet up again on this channel, from me, ta-da, bye-bye now, ta-da.